Start you out with some cold temperatures this morning, as we do have these numbers close to freezing, below freezing, sub-freezing back across the upper Midwest. Look at that 19 in Minneapolis this morning. Green Bay's coming in at 29. Chicago's at 31. But hey, Baltimore, we're coming in right around 33 degrees this morning. It's 34 in Richmond. Look at Raleigh coming in at 36. And Atlanta is at 44 degrees this morning. So yeah, that cold air has seeped pretty far south this morning. As we continue through the rest of today, temperatures are going to stay below the average of 58 degrees. I'm going right around 51, 52 degrees for today. Now, the satellite and radar also going to have some changes in here as we go more towards your afternoon. We will have more clouds across the area, and we will have more rain coming in, as we will have an area of low pressure that moves through, bringing that rain. And with that, we are going to be dealing with the rain through the overnight into tomorrow morning as well. And then we'll start to improve some as we head in through the afternoon on your Tuesday. But we are going to wait for another cold front to move through the area as well. Now, in the meantime, this is what it looks like on Futurecast. There's that rain coming in around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this evening, and then it lingers into the overnight. So around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we could see some moderate rain with this system. Once again, we're just going to add to the rainfall total at this point. We're number 3 for the wettest year on record, and we will get to number 2, number 1, and we are going to dominate that, unfortunately. As we go into your 5 o'clock time frame tomorrow morning, yeah, something that we don't want to see for your rush hour commute, right? Definitely going to be dealing with more rain in the forecast. So you will need that rain gear later this evening and into tomorrow morning as well. And then we will get some breaks as we head into your Wednesday, but then we will have another system that we have to watch as we head into Thursday. And that's the one that could be bringing us maybe a little bit of a sleet mix as we head into your Thursday morning, rather. So this is how we'll contend for the rest of today. So it looks like that rain will be likely, but just later on this evening. As we continue through the rest of today, I think we'll stay mainly on the dry side. We'll see a few peaks of sunshine earlier this morning, but it's going to be under a mostly cloudy sky. The clouds will thicken up by 4 o'clock. Again, that high temperature today coming in right around 51 degrees. So here's a check of that 7-day forecast, and let's break it down for you as we go across the board, because a lot happening. Today, once again, 51. It's going to get breezy as we head towards Tuesday. That temperature right around 52 degrees. You can see where we should be, right around 58 now for this time of the year. So temperatures really across the board stay below that. As we head into Wednesday, lots of sunshine. And once again, Thursday, we could see that sleet mix coming in. Now let's get a check of the traffic with Megan Knight.
Okay, Lynette, taking a look at the major roadways this morning.